might just be using AI wrongly if you're using it this way. For example, you can Google search hotels in Abuja for couple. It brings you a list of hotels in Abuja. While prompting AI, I would want it to create a more personalized experience. I will give it what is called first a persona. I will say you are an experienced tour guide with over 10 years experience. I will give it the context. I want you to recommend top 10 hotels where I can stay with my wife with a budget of 20,000 naira per night. That is a condition right now. You prompt it, and the reason why Anthony gets a different result from what Antonia is getting is because of the knowledge of what is called prompt engineering. So knowing how to prompt your AI to give you the expected result and feed you want to get is what we call prompt engineering. Do well to subscribe to this channel to know more about AI tools.